Look around you, different things born out of truth and passion. Business software, it's our craft, our identity. Thoughtfully engineered, passionately designed to help you transform your business. Zoho, made in India, made for the world.
Welcome back to Midcap Masala, and let's talk about Azad Engineering, because from the midcap space, that company is in focus on the back of a new contract with Mitsubishi Heavy Engineering Japan, and there will be operational strengths coming in from their newer facility. What's the plan going ahead, and what's the momentum is picking like when it comes to their whole order book? Let's understand more on that. We are being joined by Mr. Vishnu Malpani, whole-time director at Azad Engineering, joining us on the show right now. A very good morning, and firstly, thank you so much for your time, and congratulations on the fresh contract from Japanese Mitsubishi Heavy Industries. This is the second phase of the contract that you have won in November 2024, we believe. So tell us more about this 651 crore long-term contract and your collaboration here.
Thank you. First of all, thank you for having us here. So we are very proud to share that, this contract that we've signed is, is a result of, whatever hard work we put in over the last, 10 to 12 years. Our relationship with Mitsubishi started in 2012. And today we've reached a point where we are building a dedicated factory just for them. We inaugurated a lean manufacturing facility, especially to manufacture Mitsubishi components for, power generation in the year, in this year, March 2025. And we had signed phase one of this contract last year, which was valued at around $75 million, pretty much the same contract value for 5 years. This is a phase two of the contract, which should be another $75 million approximately, bringing the total to about $150 million of, our order book with Mitsubishi alone. And this contract is supposed to be, for manufacturing extremely critical, life-critical and mission-critical components for their advanced gas turbines for the electricity demand that they see. So we're very happy to, be a part of this contract. And the fact that it gives us revenue visibility over the next 5 years, strengthens the confidence even further. And we are doing this across all of our customers. You have seen we inaugurated, a lean facility for our customers, Mitsubishi, in the same month. We inaugurated one factory for GE in the month of April. We've been consistently doing this with each of our clients because we see a rapid ramp up coming in the future.
Okay, so sounding optimistic on this contract. Vishnu, hi, morning. Let's talk about your overall order book. As of Q1, you had an order book of about 6,000 crores, and this, of course, adds to it. But tell us about the execution timelines of key projects across your energy, aerospace, and defense, oil and gas segments across your entire order book. What's it looking like? What's the visibility, and what's the timeline?
Sure. So any contract in this industry, happens over a longer term period. So while we speak across all of these three segments, whether it's energy, aerospace, and defense, and oil and gas, put together, we're sitting on contracts of roughly about $700 million or 6,000 crores. And this is on top of this contract that we signed is on top of the $700 million order book that we've spoken about. Our contracts are long term in nature. So, last year we delivered 450 crores as revenue. So our order book to revenue is roughly about 10, 11 times. We have a specific, delivery schedule for each of these contracts, which extends for anywhere between 3 years to 4 years, 5 years, and 7 years. So most of these contracts that we're working on have a visibility of, and a mean visibility of about 5 years, 6 years across our segment.
Vishnu, good to know that. But for now, if we see your contribution from different segments, yes, energy contributes the most, while aerospace as well as defense, these are your emerging sectors, and you have recently won very good orders here. But in the next 3 to 5 years, Vishnu, give us some sense, how do you see the contributors and their contribution in the overall pie of your revenue? How will that be?
So we are addressing a really large market, I think our contribution, although we've delivered 450 crores last year, we're still about 1.5% to 2% of the customer's wallet share. So we believe, our growth in all the three segments are going to be phenomenal over the next 5 years. And, the split of the order book, I told you about, how we are at $700 million worth of contracts. So 400 is towards energy, which is one of the largest, vertical for us. $200 million is towards aerospace and defense, which is the second largest vertical for us, and oil and gas is $100 million. So between the three verticals, we believe that we would be ramping up this business, and we've been giving our guidance at about 25 to 30% year-on-year growth. So we stick to the guidance, and we're building capacity at the back end to cater to these developments. We've also, there are a lot of interesting developments that have happened in the business because, while we were focusing on airfoils alone, and a lot of other critical components, we see now Azad entering into combustion parts and other, mission and life critical components as well. So we're moving from, just compressor section airfoils to other critical components and combustion. We're moving from component manufacturing to assembly, some assembly, then also, integration of an end-to-end jet engine as well. So these are exciting times for Azad across all the verticals, and yeah, you will see us coming back to your channel to give you more updates in the future.
Looking forward to that conversation as always. Vishnu, so growth guidance maintained, sounding positive. Thanks so much for your time, Vishnu. On that note, we'll let you go.